Hi, welcome. This is the Internet Marketing Plan presentation for Focus Mixed Martial Arts. My name is Ivy Acosta. Let us begin with the creative concept. The three things that are evaluated is the need, which is the students, the demand, this would be the physical activity for youth and adults, and the implementation, which will be the marketing plan and its strategies. This is what we're creating. Creative content for our website, social media, blogs, and in-store. Brand recognition, lead retention, more signups equal more money down the road, and a sense of community. What we need from our users. We need users and customers that have a need for our services. For example, summer camp programs, after-school programs, and rewarding adult programs. To do this, we need to create easy access to our company information, sign-ups for free classes, our schedule, and our search engine rankings. So it only makes sense that we establish the following: a plan of action, which will consist of optimization of the website and its content, social media, where we can cross over into brand recognition, email, campaigns for outreach for new leads, blogs, where we can have creative content that is viable and useful, and also affiliate marketing, connecting with other organizations in our area. We also need to have goals set, measurables, and a way for checks and balances to make sure everything is running perfectly. Here's what we're looking at. Focus Mixed Martial Arts in the center and having different areas for marketing: SEO, blog, email, social media, and affiliates. They will compromise to create what we're looking for in our goals. Let us begin with search engine optimization. This will be done on the website. Keys are going to be to optimize performance, increase search rankings, do a keyword analysis to make sure we're not missing any untapped markets, link building to our website, and maintenance to make sure all of our links are functioning properly. If you take a minute to visualize, the Timberland website, for example, is well organized, clean and functional, and is focused on sales and lead retention by having customers sign in, create logins, and watching as they move through the site. Next, we have social media. This would include Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Now let's take a minute and visualize. In the last year, Red Bull had 29.6 million likes on Facebook. Starbucks had 31.3 million likes on Facebook, and so on and so forth. We can achieve brand recognition through likes, sharing, and linking to our website. Next, we have our email. We need a list of students, list of online information requests. We need to advertise more of a help now, sell later, allowing people to understand what we are about, and then later instilling them sign-ups and recommendations and references. And we also need to have personalized offers. Let's visualize this. On the left, you can see an email marketing campaign for a website offering gifts to send for Mother's Day. You're establishing real problems and creating real solutions for your customers. To the right, you can make email campaigns be about announcements of upcoming classes, new merchandise. We can also send out email campaigns for performance surveys so that we can get that feedback on students and affiliates on how we're doing. Also, We can use some of these subject lines to the right that can be attention grabbing. Blogging. There are two types of blogging that we are going to be interested in. That is blogging for visitors. This is to engage current visitors and in gaining new visitors. With blogging for links, you're hoping for links to your original homepage and links to your affiliates. Let's visualize this. In the past year, the top 4 most popular blogs were the Huffington Post, TMZ, Business Insider, and Engaged GET. These sites, because of their blogs and their interest in blogging and having creative content, allowed them to build their numbers and their users, and in turn build their customer base. We can also do the same on a smaller scale and grow from there. Affiliate marketing. Creating a communication and a connection with things like the Brooklyn Schools, Living Social, community outreach programs such as Good Shepherd, and Parks and Recreation for New York, we can create a brand awareness of Focus Mixed Martial Arts, whereas parents that are looking for after-school programs on the Parks and Recreation website will also see Focus Mixed Martial Arts, and vice versa. Same thing with the public school websites and websites such as Living Social that work on deals and coupons. We have to have goals. So our goals are going to be to increase website views by decreasing bounce rate. We're also going to increase new leads through brand awareness. We're going to increase our yearly student memberships, and we're going to increase our search engine ranking. This is what we're going to be measuring. We're going to be having a lot of metrics having to do with our paid advertisement, our targeted advertisement, our SEO, and our consumer and customer base. We'll be pulling reports like this on a monthly basis so that we can in turn interpret that information and see where our customer base is located. These are the types of things we'll be looking for within our metrics. Consumer trends, areas of improvement, success rates for campaigns that we've done previously, possibly finding untapped markets, and of course, brand recognition. How we'll use this information is in creating different campaigns or replicating previous campaigns. So what I suggest for future efforts is use Twitter search data from new tweets to and about Focus Mixed Martial Arts to feed for our blog topics. Focus MMA should expand its Twitter and Facebook posts to include more than instructor information, but also announcements and reminders. We can work with an involved member to share stories from classes, training, and accolades received from Focus Mixed Martial Arts. This will increase the student brand relationship. Monthly promotions to students on Facebook and Twitter. This can include free classes, gear, or merchandise. This will engage students and increase requests and followers on Twitter. Along with incorporating Facebook and Twitter into promotions and giveaways, we can also post them on the website and in the announcements sent out monthly through the emails. We can use blog comments and conversations to fuel classes and disciplines. Some of the things that we'll be seeing is an increase in activity of Facebook, activity on Twitter, activity on the blog, activity on the website, increase in students, and increase in brand awareness. Thank you for joining me today. It has been a pleasure. My name is Ivy Acosta, and this was the Internet Marketing Plan presentation for Focus Mixed Martial Arts. Here's a list of my references and my resources used for this presentation.